Hello everyone, let's get started. I spent my full weekend on doing research on technical analysis. This is the TA Full Primer. I will introduce you to my findings, how you can in the future do yourself TA postdictions. For simplicity reasons, I will let you see where I can see individual patterns. I will display them, dissolve them, display them, dissolve them. Let's start with the easy ones, the faces. First off, the happy face. Here you can see the pointy hair with his smiling face. Okay? Pointy hair with his smiling face. Pointy hair with his smiling face. Pointy hair with his smiling face. And incidentally, the candles rose after that. Second example, happy face. Pointy hair, smiling face. Pointy hair, smiling face. Pointy hair, smiling face. And again, pointy hair, smiling face. But obviously we do not always have a smiley face. Sometimes we have a sad face. Pointy hair, sad face. Pointy hair, sad face. Pointy hair, sad face. Sometimes when looking for faces you have to be pretty careful, because there is also the pointy hair with the tongue out, which could mean, as in this example, that the candles are dropping later on. And sometimes those faces are even making fun of us. Long nose. Again, long nose. Na 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 na, neither up nor down. Now let's get to the little bit more sophisticated technical analysis pattern, the snoozing pattern. You get the point. Totally lame. Nothing really going. Now let's get to the bit more funny ones. Well, actually it's not funny from what they actually post-dict. The big fart. It drops and we stay at the lower level below. Contrast the big fart with his little brother, the little fart. Now one thing which is totally crucial to what you pay attention for is the selected time period. In this example, see the orange arrow, we have the daily charge, where you can think, wow, great, now it's gonna take off. But if we look at the 30 minutes candles, we actually can see that the angle for the increase is not actually that high. And it can get even worse, because the 30 minutes candle previously seen, where we thought the tendency is going upwards, was indeed on the daily candle a red candle. Let's move on to the ultimate level of TA analysis, the totally sophisticated and advanced patterns. The next pattern requires parental advisory, so please bring your children out of the room now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Are they out? You guessed it. That chart pattern is called the orgasm, and it leaves us at a higher level. You can now bring your children back into the room. This pattern doesn't require a lot of explanation. Just listen.
12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, start, 2, 1, booster ignition, and liftoff of the Space Shuttle Discovery, returning to the space station later morning for mission launch.
So it takes a while to ignite, but then it takes off. Less dramatic but with the same effect is the pattern called the bush fire. You can see the bush, the green candles, and the fire, the red candles in between. And to finalize the full primer for TA postdictions, I'll show you my most favorite chart pattern. Enjoy! I hope you could learn a lot during this introduction, and I hope you can apply those techniques yourself in the future. Thanks.